Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Khan's Creatives. When is Lunar Day celebrated? July 21st. The natural satellite of the earth is Moon. What is the name of the first mission to land on the moon? Apollo 11. What is the moon made of? Rock, dust, and ice. Who was the Italian scientist to observe craters on the moon? Galileo Galilei. What is the name of the man-made object on the moon? The Lunar rover. What is the name of the first woman to walk on the moon? Dr. Anna Fisher. The study of the moon. Selenology. Who was the first person to land on the moon? Neil Armstrong. The moon takes how many days to revolve around the earth? 27 days. The first astronaut to land on the moon. Neil Armstrong. Who is known as father of selenography? Johann Heinrich von Mattler. Who is the father of modern selenography? Tobias Mayer. Who is the author of the book From Earth to Moon and 80 Days Around the Earth? Jules Verne. Which is the world's first artificial satellite? Sputnik. During any given year, the moon travels around the earth a maximum of how many times? 13 times. Which American space program was geared toward landing a man on the surface of the moon? Apollo. The moon helps to regulate which earthly phenomenon? Ocean tide. Which is the first space shuttle in the world? Columbia. The first man-made space shuttle to leave the solar system? Voyager 1. Name the launch vehicle used in Chandrayaan 2. GSLV Mark III. Which country made the first successful landing on the moon? Russia. What is the sight called when a second full moon occurs during a calendar month? Blue moon. Which was the first rocket launch site in India? Tumba. Which is the first Mars mission of ISRO? Mangalyaan. What did Greeks call gods of the moon? Selene.
What did astronauts collect during their lunar missions? Rocks.
The second full moon in the month is known as blue moon. Where was the Chandrayaan 1 launched? Sriharikota. When was Chandrayaan 1 launched? October 22nd.
During the course of lunar cycle, what percentage of moon can be seen from Earth? 59%. What is the name of the first transport vehicle that astronauts used to navigate the moon? Lunar roving vehicle.
Father of Indian space program. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, who is known as the father of modern astronomy. Copernicus.
Chandrayaan 3 missions over is known as Pragyan. The mission life of lander and rover equal to 14 Earth days. How much did the Chandrayaan 3 mission cost? 600 crores.
The person who was known as Columbus of the space. Yuri Gagarin. Which was the first vehicle to travel across the moon? Lunar rover. The spacecraft launched to study Pluto. New Horizons.
What is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? 3,900. What is that one thing in Chandrayaan 3 and not in Chandrayaan 2? Laser Doppler velocimeter. Who is the director of Chandrayaan 3 mission? Ritu Karidal.
Which element is abundant in the moon? Silicon. The plant used in space vehicles for increasing the availability of oxygen. Chlorella. Which is the closest celestial body to Earth? The moon.
Where will Chandrayaan 3 land on the moon? Near the South Pole. Which country is the fourth country to successfully land spacecraft on moon? India. What is the landing schedule for Chandrayaan 3? August 23, 2023. How did Chandrayaan 2 welcome Chandrayaan 3? Welcome buddy.
The first animal sent to space. The dog named Laika. The first space tourist in the world. Tennis Tito.
August 23 will be celebrated as National Space Day. What is the name of the first female robot to be part of India's first manned space mission? Vyomitra.
ISRO was established in which year? 1969 August 15th. The headquarters of ISRO. Antariksha Bhavan.
What are the primary gases present in the lunar atmosphere? Helium, neon, argon, and hydrogen. Who was the first man to land on the moon? Neil Armstrong. Which year did the first man land on the moon? 1969.
The second man to land on the moon. Edwin Aldrin. What is the meaning of the Latin word lunar? The moon.
Which American space program put a man on the moon? The Apollo program. Full form of ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization.
How long does it take for the light from the moon to reach the earth? 1 minute and 3 seconds. The first Indian in space. Rakesh Sharma.
Who is the project director of Chandrayaan? P. Veeramathuvel.
Who is the author of The First Man on the Earth? H.G. Wells. Who is the author of Space of the Moon? Baldwin.
What is the name of rover and lander of Chandrayaan? Pragyan and Vikram.
The book released by ISRO on Indian space program. From Finishing Hamlet to Red Planet.
Which chemical element is found on Chandrayaan 3? Sulfur. What does Ramba LP measure on the moon? Plasma.